Hello everyone, I hope you're very well. Thank you for joining me today on my unboxing video. I know it's back to the unboxing. Been a while, but I hope you're all very well. Don't forget, before we get into this unboxing video, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe at the bottom there. And also don't forget I am on Instagram and I am on the Facebook page. AJ Focus, nice and easy. And also the AJ Focus group page is AJ Focus ST Legends, RS Legends Facebook group page. You can check that out as well. So yeah, check out all that awesome social media stuff. Right, okay, so like I said, it's been a while and I'm using my new camera gear, new camera setup, all this good stuff now is going to happen. Can't wait to start getting into it. So I've been waiting to get this for quite some time. I've already opened it and had a look inside. So let's get out and have a look. And there we have it. This is the RS vacuum pipe for the Focus STs Mark IIs. If you're going for like a different intake setup, this is the pipe you're going to need to get rid of the messy wiring and the pipe work that's already in the ST engine bay, you know, that goes over the air filter. So if you want to tidy all that up, this is what you're going to need to get to tidy up that part of the engine bay. I've already looked at it. Quality wise, it's, I don't know, it's not brilliant, I don't think. It's just a, I don't know, the plastic looks weird. We'll get into a bit more detail, but I do like the colours that you can choose on the braided part here. You can see I've gone for a blue. I was in two minds going for a black or blue, but I always thought, you know, if I want to go black, I'm gonna just take that. I'm guessing you can take that off to keep it nice and stealthy, so I went for blue just for now. It comes with the extension loom as well, as you can see, to plug in, because you're going to need to blank off the old loom. As you can also see, it does come with instructions as well, which is brilliant. It helps, and they've written this themselves by the looks of it and printed it off. So yeah, let's have a quick look. I'll bring the pipe up closer to the camera. So you may think of getting one of these. So yeah, you do need to get one. Like I said though, I'm not really too sure about this. This looks, yeah, you can just see it doesn't look that great. Quality wise, it's going to do its job basically. It doesn't need, it's nothing performance wise, it's just to tie up that messy loom, which Ford should have done in the first place. And then you've got the bit that goes in the plenum right here, as you can see. So that go in there, and then you can also see a nice braided blue that goes over the top of the pipe, which I'm just looking at, you can't actually remove, which is also good, but also if you do want to go like I'm going for, like later on, if I do want to change it to stealth, you can't do that unfortunately. So you have to stick with the colour. I'm not too bothered. But yeah, it was quite cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like basically. It's just a pipe. There's not anything else I can really say about it. Like I said, quality is not bad. I mean, it's not great, it's not bad. Okay, it's going to do its job. I'm just not too sure about this part, as you can see. Yeah, anyway, if you're wondering, oh, your camera and your video and looks much better, yeah, it's because I'm using my new camera phone now. I've got a new Google Pixel phone and it's running in 60 frames per second and full HD now, and it focuses in on certain things, which is really, really cool. So yeah, I'm glad I'm using a new setup so you guys can get a clearer image on what I'm looking at as well. Okay, next thing I am looking at is this. It's actually got Fragile written over it, which is nice. I mean, it's nicely packaged. It came nicely packaged and it's all presented nicely. So I'm going to remove this quickly. Like so I've just removed it. I was looking at this, I was like, where's the blanking plug? Because it does need a blanking plug as well. Not only the loom, you need a blanking plug, and the plug was actually behind the Fragile sticker. So that's the blanking plug that will go onto the crossover, because it's no longer going to be in use, that part. So this is the wiring. It has now been extended, as you can sort of see. Much longer And the quality of this wiring as well looks really, really nice. It's got a nice sort of cover over it as well to protect the wires underneath. So that's will connect to the original ST part. It was on the old vacuum line, and this is just an extension to reach back down, because obviously when that pipe goes on, the standard ST one is probably about that long. So it ain't going to reach, which is why this extension comes in handy. As you can see, it's really, really long, and the quality of it, the quality of this wire is really, really nice, really good, and it feels really robust as well. So it's going to obviously withstand the heat and everything, and for many years under that engine bay. And then the blank and plug, like I said, it's just a blank and plug. It's just a bit of a thick bit of rubber, as you can see. That will go over a bit on the crossover, just to blank it off. I might put a little Jubilee clip around that, or to cable tie, just to make sure it's on there, not going to pop off. But yeah, that's what that blank and plug looks like. And there we go, guys. That is the full kit, the RS vacuum pipe for the ST. Let's pick up the instructions quickly and have a quick read through that. So if you want to pause your screen right now to give this a quick read, you can do so, but I'm just going to get through it really, really quickly. So this is obviously from CUSTOMOD. So they're the guys everyone goes on about, bang on about, and to go to get this pipe. So that's who I went to. It's £2 cheaper on eBay, so that's where I got this from. So it has all the instructions, dismounting your pipe, which is nice for them to put all on there, and then it's showing you the old loom. Yeah, so it comes with 2 pieces. And that's what it should look like at the end. Admire our work. There we go. So like I said, if you want to like pause this at any time, you can do so, but I've just quickly gone through it there. And that's the ST Mark II RS vacuum pipe unboxing video, guys. Remember, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe at the bottom, follow me on all the social media networks, and I hope you enjoyed this video, this quick unboxing. If you have, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget you can click that bell notification button so you get notified all my new videos when they do come out. So the next video, guys, you can expect is the install video on this, and I can't wait to do that. But I'm going to read through the instructions first. I have a rough idea on how to do all this. It looks very simple, but I'm going to read through the instructions, make sure you always do, because you don't want to muck anything up. And then yeah, I'm going to read through that and then go outside and do the install. But that's for another day, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you on my install video. Peace out. Thanks very much for watching. I like that. That's very nice. See you guys soon.